Hello everyone, welcome to the airfield. Today, we're taking the big glider out. Well, definitely feel like a wind's coming this way. This field is just really bumpy. You see it's all crunchy, so I'm worried about the landing, but all right. Get this thing airborne. Woo! Yeah. Let's try to get up. And then we glide. All right. Oh wow, man, it's just doing this thing. I'm gonna give it a little up because the wind's kind of blowing into it now. Let's see. Now we got going into the wind. Try to get some altitude here. I know it's not good for filming, but it's kind of like the whole thing of a glider. I mean, look. I ain't touching it. We do gotta steer it just a little bit. Let's bring it down low. Man, we gotta do a nice little flyby. Listen to the noise, and that wasn't the motor wasn't even on. It just the sound it makes. That's amazing. Let's see if we can manage to glide by here nice and give you guys one nice shot here. Wow. No, it's nice, man. This thing is huge. It's really easy to keep track of, even if you get it up high, far away. It's really good for us older people. Vision ain't what it used to be. The Habu, the little 50 mil, man. That thing, I get it out there by the street and I lose it. It's just so small. This thing, it's really hard to lose. Even though it's probably still not doing the GoPro any favors, but it blends in with that sky. I still got half a battery. I love how it makes noise even though it's just gliding. Wow. Definitely not a sport plane. It does not like these big turns. In fact, that motor, man, it draws a lot of power. As soon as you throttle up, you see the battery bar just dip. I think it might be about time to land, call it a day. I would practice landings more with this thing, but you know, it's kind of hard, and you pick it up and hand toss it. All right. I think my best bet's closer to this tall grass. Always nervous on these landings. I do know one thing, you gotta get that prop off. Woo! All right. That's nice, man. She lives to fly another day. I think I gotta adjust this elevator some. It's kicked over, man. And I don't know why. It was fine last flight. Something happened. That's why I was trying to figure out how to get this thing out of safe. I did some adjusting on it before I flew, and it looked like it was centered a little bit. See right there, I guess if you hold it, it looks okay, but yeah. All right, maybe it's not a thing. All right, guys, the night Radian. One day we'll come out here, maybe a little bit darker. We'll go ahead and plug in the lights. I just want to get some time with this plane, but I think it'll be good. And I think I need to do it now, because if I wait till the summertime and I come out here, I'm gonna get eaten by mosquitoes. So I think the next time we come out here, take advantage of while it still gets dark somewhat early, like around 5. We'll fly it. But man, beautiful flight. Thank you, Tug, and your friend there, for the beautiful gift. I'm having a blast with it. You know, try to take advantage of when the weather's nice. We haven't had too many days like this, but beautiful 70-degree day. Beautiful flight, beautiful plane. Everyone, thank you for the support. Thank you for watching me grow. I know I'm not, you know, the acrobatic pilot out here doing loops and rolls and 3D stuff, and I'm just up and back, but you know, I appreciate you guys watching and supporting my basic flying. It does mean a lot. Check out the links down below. Got you some cool discounts on merchandise. I got some affiliate links that help me run the channel. If you care, you know, please use those links. Helps me out tremendously, from Amazon to Tower and Amain. So Tug, beautiful gift, man. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, man. The support from this community is awesome. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hope to see you on the next one.